Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Sheikh Sophia. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now today 16 June, subject is maths, topic is numbers. Come on students, repeat the number with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Learn and write numbers 1 to 50 in your homework notebook 2 times. Thank you.